everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Imvu gift card using your desktop. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.imvu.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet for Imvu, you can go ahead and click on this get started for free button and join in to Imvu in order to redeem your gift card online. Let me click on the login button at the top right hand real quick, and now enter your username or your email followed by your password in order to log into your account. Make sure to type in your information correct and click the login button to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on this coin located at the upper right, and once you give it a click, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu appearing. Click on Buy Credits button from the pop-up, and on the next page, you'll be able to see an option that says Gift Card. Give it a click and enter your redemption code that is available at the back of your gift card for Imvu into the text box right where it says Enter Redemption Code. You need to scratch off the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal your redemption code. Once you do that, enter your redemption code and finally click on the redeem button. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Imvu on your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.